everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with items from Sundara Nails to create a really fun, like galaxy kind of style mani. We're going to be playing with two dip powder colors here. One is a really reflective glitter called Sapphire, and then that solid periwinkle is Crystal Lilac. And then we are going to be playing with a cat eye gel polish for an accent nail, and you can see here that this is the color Kitty, but I did end up switching it up at the end to a different color. And we are also going to be doing the gel method today. So that is the best part about doing our nails at home, is that we can switch things up. So we're still going to do the cat eye gel accent nail. We're just going to do a different color called Leo. Now for the gel method, we are making a set of press-ons today. So I put a thin layer of that gel base all over the entire nail, and then I gently dipped that nail into the cupcake liner, and I picked up that beautiful periwinkle lilac color. I just love this color so much, and it is so pretty, and it is perfect with the colors that we're going to be using today. And this is what it looks like with one dip, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and then once it's cured, I'm going to brush it off, and then that is it. So we're just going to go ahead and repeat that step now with a second coat of dip. And since we're brushing over that gel polish over on top of already cured dip powder, I still am going to wipe off my brush on the paper towel before I stick that brush back into the bottle, just in case, to prevent any contamination. But here is the two dips versus one. You can see that this dip powder here, it's one of those powders that you can really build up the opacity, and you can do anywhere from one dip if you really want that sheer lilac coverage, and then you can build it up from 2 to 3. But we're going to be doing 2 dips today, and then here are the 2 dips, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure that, and we're gonna dive into this beautiful sapphire reflective glitter. And this glitter right here, it's amazing, and it's super shiny and sparkly, and I love it so much. And I really love the Sundara Nails reflective glitters. They're just super fine. They lay really flat to the nail, and they also are really buttery. So I do really love the reflective glitters from Sundara Nails. Now this is Sapphire, and then there's also some other really pretty neon colors that they have to offer, which are perfect for the summertime. So if you love reflective glitters, these are going to be your jam. So you can see here with one dip here of that sapphire with the gel method, we are picking up tons of those beautiful sparkles. Now when you are dipping into that gel liner, just make sure that you are dipping with a light hand, and then when we are pressing down these fine glitters, again, light hand, because this gel polish is not cured until we go ahead and cure it. So just make sure when you are doing the gel method that you're just extra careful so you do not bump the nail. And then we're going to cure that and brush it off, and we're going to go in with another layer of that reflective glitter. Now I will say I did get super full coverage on that first dip, but I really wanted to build up that sparkly goodness, so that is why I'm doing another dip here of that gorgeous reflective glitter. I really like the reflective glitters. I think they're really fun because you get like a subtle kind of glitter look when you're indoors, and then when it hits the light or you're outside in the sun, your mani is like a whole nother level of just pure sparkliness, and it is amazing. So now I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Right, so now we're going to go ahead and apply the gel base all over the entire nail, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And while that's curing, check out this gorgeous blue cat eye polish called Leo. It is stunning, so I really think the blue complements these dip powder colors really well, so that's why I changed it up from using Kitty, that beautiful purple, to Leo instead. So now the first layer of this cat eye gel polish, I'm going to go ahead and do a full layer of this polish first, and I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. After I cure it, I'm going to go ahead and put another layer of Leo all over the entire nail, and this time we're going to go ahead and now use that magnet. Now when it comes to putting the magnet on the nail, there's many different ways and looks you can use when you are using cat eye gels. I really wanted the line kind of like on an angle, so I'm just going to go ahead and take the magnet and just hover it over the gel eye polish, and there we have that perfect line. And you can totally change that line if you want, but that's just kind of how I wanted it, and it's really easy to work with. Now if you didn't like how that line was, you could go ahead and apply more gel polish to it and then redo that line. Options are endless when it's coming to the cat eye gel polish. Now I went ahead and I applied gel base over all the nails and cure that for 30 seconds. And now we're going to go ahead and put some fun accents to this nail by using these little stickers. Now you don't have to use the stickers if you love nail art and you can rock it. You could totally use any white gel polish or like fluffy clouds from Sundara Nails and do the gel nail art yourself. I am not the best at gel nail art. I'm getting there. I'm working on it. But I really wanted to use these stickers. They're just a really fun way to add a little pop of nail art to your nails. So I'm placing it over the nail that we just cured for 30 seconds with that base. And we're just going to keep adding some more stickers. Now, you can add as many as you want or as less as you want. Or you could do this mani totally without these stickers as well. But I really like these stickers. Again, it's a really easy way to add nail art to your nail that's really effortlessly. So here is what it looks like right now. And then I wanted a little bit more of these little polka dots. So we're just going to add a few more of the polka dots to the nail, and then that is going to be it. So just a really fun way. And then after we go ahead and apply the stickers on the nail, we're just going to finish it up with a gel top coat. Now, if you do experience any flaking or peeling when you go in after you finish your mani with just a gel top coat, you want to go ahead and do a layer of gel base first, cure that, and then go ahead and seal it back with your favorite gel top coat, and then that is it. So after I apply this gel top coat to the nail, I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds, and I place the rest of the stickers off camera, and I cured everything, and this is the finished mani, and I love it so much. It's totally giving me like midnight blue skies, galaxy kind of vibe with that cat eye. You can see there how that cat eye is diagonally across that nail, and I really like it, and I just think it's so pretty. And this reflective glitter is everything, and you will see here a little clip of my nails outside of this reflective glitter in the sun, and it's just so pretty. And these dip powders really come to life when they're in the natural sunlight. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. And I hope you enjoyed this mani, and I'll see you in the next upload.